We will be using a 2mm Allen key, a 5mm Allen key, spanner wrenches, and an electric impact driver paired with either a 17mm or 21mm deep socket. Start by taking the 2mm Allen key and slightly loosening the small bolt on the side of the damping adjustment knob. Pull the knob off along with the rubber gasket. Place the coilover upright onto the electric impact driver and spin off lower mount and locking ring. Take the impact driver with a 17mm or 21mm socket and remove the center nut on the top hat. This should allow you to slide the top hat off, along with the spacer and the upper spring seat. Pull off the spring, dust boot, and bump stop. Loosen the 5mm Allen bolt in the locking spring perch and spin off the damper body. To reassemble, spin the locking spring perch onto the damper body. Slide the bump stop onto the shaft, followed by the dust boot, spring isolator, radial bearing and spacer, and finally the top hat. Run the center nut in with your fingers for a couple threads to avoid the risk of damaging the threads on the shaft. Tighten the assembly down with 2 grips using the impact driver. Place the coilover upright onto the electric impact driver and spin on lower mount and locking ring. Lastly, install the small rubber gasket and the adjustment knob, making sure to avoid over-tightening the 2mm Allen bolt.